Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making some butter chicken. This easy and delicious recipe. Look at that delicious butter chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is marinate our chicken. We're using some turmeric, some gram masala, some cumin. I'm using about a teaspoon of those seasonings. Here I'm adding in some fresh grated garlic. We're going to add some ginger paste. And next, I'm going to use some chili powder. This is the chili powder that I use. Here we're going to add about a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And then we're going to add in a half a cup of plain yogurt. Here I'm going to add some pepper and salt. You want to add it to taste. And later on in the recipe, we are going to adjust it. And here we're going to mix this up. And we're going to coat each chicken breast well. Each chicken thigh well. I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag and we're going to let it marinate overnight. And then we're going to bring it back and we're going to start pan frying our chicken. Here we're going to get a nice golden color on both sides of our chicken. Once our chicken is done, we're going to remove our chicken and we're going to set it aside. Here I'm going to add in some more fresh garlic, about a tablespoon. I'm going to go ahead and stir it for a couple of minutes. Here I'm adding in some of that good ginger paste. I'm going to stir that up and we're going to start adding our seasonings. We added our gram masala, cumin, red chili powder, salt and pepper, and you want to add in some red chili flakes. And we're going to stir this and cook it for about 1 minute. Here next, I am stirring in my tomato sauce and I'm going to add my honey. And with this, I'm going to make sure that I scrape up the bottom and make sure to get all those good seasonings from the bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to bring it to a quick boil and then I'm going to reduce the heat and simmer for about 15 minutes. After it has simmered for about 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and stir in my cream and I'm going to add my chicken back to my pan and I'm going to heat and simmer it for about 10 more minutes until the chicken is cooked through and our sauce has thickened up a bit. I did add a little bit more red onions. I like red onions in mine. It's up to you, but this was some delicious butter chicken, baby. Once our sauce is thickened up and our chicken is ready, we're going to serve it on some white rice and we're going to garnish it with fresh herbs. You could use parsley or cilantro. And then we're going to add a little bit of extra cream on the top, a little swirl. And let me tell you, this butter chicken was so delicious. You got to try this recipe. If you haven't tried butter chicken, where have you been? I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video.